Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look, we're going to do an unboxing with the Spellbinders Card Kit of the month for August 2022. My goodness. Pretty soon we're going to be saying 2023, which is kind of strange. It's going by so fast. But this is for August. It's called Butterfly Sparkle. We're going to take a look at everything in the kit, and then following this video, at the end you can just click on my 10 card one kit, so you can have a little bit of inspiration using this kit. It's a club kit subscription monthly over at the Spellbinder shop, and that link is down below in the description area. Your kit will arrive in this nice little box, and when you open it up, sorry about the shaky camera, I bumped it. You'll have your sticker here, but it's like unwrapping a present, I always like to say, and then everything is nicely and neatly packed inside this box. You do get a content sheet that tells you everything that's in the kit, and then on the front there's an inspirational project. It's usually using the dies that are in the kit. Kind of tells you how to create this card here, so that's a little handy recipe guide there. As always, we're going to start with the cardstock. You get double-sided gold mirror cardstock, and then you get 8 sheets of colored cardstock, and they kind of set the theme, or not the theme, I should say, the color of our card kit this month. So let's take a look. And then you get a cream, like a vanilla color. You get white, black, gray, 2 shades of pink, and 2 shades of blue. This is actually a real dark blue, which is really pretty color palette. So those are your cardstock. This is double-sided, which is really nice. It die cuts beautifully in case you're new. And then your colored cardstocks and your specialty gold mirror are all 8.5 by 11 sheets. You get 10 pre-scored and folded card bases. These card bases are a little bit on, they're a nice weight, not as heavy as the one I use, but they are a nice weight. And there is a little bit of texture to them. These are the card bases that I use to create my 10 cards. And then you get 10 V-flap envelopes. These are the lick and stick, and it fits these card bases beautifully. So you get 10 of those, which is always nice. Next, we're going to take a look at our 6x6 paper pad. And this is a full-size paper pad. You see here? You get 2 sheets of each pattern, and there's 20 sheets in here, so 40 sheets in total. And I'm just going to flip through them really fast. But what I love, this is not a heavy weight, it's just regular paper. But what I love is the colors in here are so nice, because there's tone on tones, and with tone on tones you can mix and match. For me, at least, I feel like I can mix and match more pattern papers together. But you get tone on tones, you get some real pretty stripes. There's some butterflies here. That looks like a map, an aerial map. Polka dots, some looks like flowers and leaves. Look how pretty that burst is. Some of these papers have gold embossing on there. That's a real pretty ombre look. Some kitty cats. Love the newspaper print. You get some, it's on a grayscale. 2-tone butterflies. You get a ledger paper. These are those dandelions. You get some black with some stars. Those are gold embossed. Look at how pretty this floral is. That's my color. Look, oh gosh. I'm going to have fun with this kit. This is some script on some black. You get some, oh, these are scallops. 2-tone and butterflies and florals. So a beautiful 6x6 paper pad. Okay, you also get our stamp set. Let me find it here. This is our stamp set this month that have those beautiful dandelion. I guess dandelion would be the flower, and then this is what happens after the flower. I'm not sure, but it's very pretty. And I love the butterfly in here, and you have some beautiful sentiments. So this is your stamp set this month. Speaking of butterflies, you get some 3D butterflies. These are layered vellum butterflies. Let me open it up for you. They're on a clear sticker sheet. You can see how the dimension you get, and you can always fluff them up here. There's 2 layers. The bottom layer is clear, and so wherever you put it, it's just going to be delicate. Very, very neat. I love these stickers. And we'll put that back. And so you get some 3D butterfly stickers that are gorgeous. And then you also get some foam sentiments. These are adhesive backed, and they have some, are they no shed? Let's see. And they're no shed. I love stickers like this because, let me see, they hold their shape really well too. Of course you want to punch out, usually you can punch out the centers. And these are really, this is not a bright gold, this is more of a toned down gold, which is just stunning. Really pretty. So you get those, and these sentiments say enjoy, hello, shine, smile, today, you. So you can customize. There's also love in there. So those are in your kit. You also get some chipboard stickers, which are fabulous, on the back side. And all of these, of course, coordinate with your cardstock. I love the colors this month. I think it's fabulous. Next, you get a lot of die cuts. You get 2 of each die cut. I'm not going to go through them all because it takes a little bit of time. But it looks like you get a whole bunch of, let me see. There's tons in here, guys. I want to know what these big ones are. Let's see. Look how pretty that is. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. That's beautiful. That should be on my desk. And then you get this one too. Let your dreams be your wings. How pretty is this? Oh, I love this. This is actually a tag. Some of these you just punch them out. And again, you get 2 of each of these. See how they just punch out. But tags, lots of sentiments, lots of florals, and a lot of little tickets, stamps, a lot of sentiments. This is going to be fabulous to work with. So you get and these are all stacked really nice and neat. But there are tons in here. So those are your die cut shapes, and some of them have gold embossing on there too, which is fabulous. So, and then you get, there's so much in these kits. This is why I love them so much, and I never get tired of creating 10 cards. You get some sequins. These are all one size, and they're beautiful blue. They have a little bit of an iridescent tint to them. Huge bag too. And then you get some double-sided adhesive, along with some foam tape. So if you want to take this on a trip, just take your box with your little craft scissors, and I think you're good to go. Of course, I would bring in some more foam squares, because you know me. Now these are your dies this month. Let me bring in my little magnetic board. This is just the board that I created. It doesn't come with the kit, but I create it for the videos. It's just easier so I don't lose them. But you get a beautiful frame, and then you get a butterfly outline, and then you get a butterfly detailed. You get, oh, you know what? I'm looking at these little shapes here, and they're stars, which are pretty fabulous. And I wonder if this will cut out the butterfly in our, oh, these are nice, guys. Look at, okay. I have to die cut these out for you. I was thinking that maybe this would cut out the butterfly in our stamp set, but it's a little too big. But you get the beautiful frame. Now, these are your stars. But the fun thing is that they are layerable. So you could layer this on a background. You could die cut out a gold star and put it on a pink background, which is pretty cool, or vice versa. Now your butterfly is a layering butterfly. This will cut out the butterfly, but if you want to add a background to it, you can create a background. And then you have the butterfly body that's individual. And then you have this sentiment here that says often, and this says smile. I'm going to die cut these out and show you what they do, and when I'm done I will be right back. I went ahead and die cut everything out. You can see here. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is our sentiment, smile often, which is just pretty. And it would die cut out beautifully with the gold mirror also. Our frame is gorgeous, dainty and beautiful. Perfect for any kind of size cards, really. If you want to go this way on a slimline, you could and create 3 of them in a row. Butterflies have the background. I die cut out the detail piece with gold mirror. Background was with both pinks. You just add a little glue to the middle. And I love that the background is just a little bit bigger. Gold mirror cardstock takes a little bit of time to grab, but you layer those together. You can see here, and then I'm going to add some glue right down the middle, and then we can add our butterfly body. I die cut these out with black cardstock. There is our butterfly body. Let me show you. Of course, you'd want to fluff up the wings. Isn't that pretty? And then our stars are the same thing for layering. I'm going to use my tape runner for these. I die cut out all the stars with my gold mirror, and then you can layer them any kind of color you wish. And this is great for so many occasions. I die cut out 2 sets. We only get 3 stars in here, and that's plenty. But they're 3 different sizes. Small, medium, and large. And then you get the same for the outlines. So I just went ahead and layered them right on top. And of course you'd want to fluff up your wings. So this is everything that's included in our kit this month. The butterfly wings, if you die cut them out with the gold mirror, they hold their shape, which is really nice. But these are our stars. The nice thing is these are great for birthdays, every day. Love this. So I look forward to creating with this kit. In fact, if you want to check out the video for my 10 cards at the end here. Have a wonderful day. Happy August 1st. We will see you.